Hello, my name is Katie, and today we're going to show you how to replace Astragal boots, bolt springs, and flush bolts. You may not need to replace all three components at the same time. You will need the following tools for this job: safety glasses, a thin putty knife, a 5/100 inch hex key or Allen wrench, a screwdriver or power drill to remove the Astragal, rubber Astragal boots, flush bolts, bolt springs, soapy water. For your safety, you should always wear approved safety glasses when working on any product. After you've removed the Astragal from the door, use a small putty knife to remove the Astragal boot. Be sure to remove any glue or sealant remaining on the Astragal. With the Astragal boot removed, you may replace the Astragal flush bolts. Use a hex key or Allen wrench to loosen the top and bottom set screws on the flush bolt cover and slide it out of the Astragal. If the bolt spring is bent or damaged, it should be replaced at this time. Remove the number 10 by 1.5 inch pan head screw that holds the bolt in place. Remove the old bolt spring. Then line up the new bolt spring with the existing screw hole and replace the screw to hold the spring in place. Slide the new flush bolt into the track on the Astragal up to the second bend in the bolt spring. Tighten both set screws. Since the new Astragal boot is pressure fit, it will not require any glue or caulk. For easier installation, coat the boot with soapy water first. After aligning the new boot with the bottom of the Astragal, use firm pressure to install it. The boot should fit tightly on the bottom of the Astragal. Once the boot is installed, the Astragal can be reinstalled in the door. We have now successfully replaced Astragal boots, bolt springs, and flush bolts. If you have any questions, please contact us by email at customersupport@therma-tru.com, by phone at 800-843-7628, or our website at www.therma-tru.com, or send us a tweet at Therma-Tru Cares.